Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Altima key battery. First, you'll need just two items, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick and easy task will have your key fob working perfectly again in about 5 minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. Now let's open up your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should pop open with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery inside. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key fob immediately to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts your vehicle correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.